Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Pinnacle Trading here. Got a big thing coming soon. That's going to be the Pinnacle Trading Course. If you're in the chat room, you may have heard rumors about this, but they are true. It's coming soon. Going to be releasing this week before Christmas. So just about 2 to 3 days, going to be releasing. Going to do an initial release, and then I'll be updating it. Some more topics later on. But if you head over to the pinnacletrading.us website, you can see what the course offers. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified if you're new to the channel. I am releasing a course soon which goes over how to set up charts, indicators, scripts, scanners, everything from basic to advanced strategies. So head over to the pinnacletrading.us website and trading course coming soon. Click on the learn more button. Or you can also click this tab here and click on the course tab. And this is the course right here. This is going to be an online course. You can access it from your phone, web, mobile, on the go, whichever it is. And you can access it on pretty much any device. Lifetime access, trading, investing, different strategies that I use that work for me every time, and how to manage your money, risk management. This is going to be for both stocks, options, and the future, maybe cover futures, how to trade futures and other markets. And this is lifetime access. So the chat room is completely free, but you'll get access to the VIP access, which will include exclusive trade alerts and exclusive access where you can get in touch with me and learn more about the course. So why is this the only course you need? Because it will take out the guessing, it will take out the huge learning curve that many traders and investors face in the stock market, and it will allow you to gain that knowledge through refined strategies and proper education that I will teach you personally in the course, step by step, from basics to advanced strategies. So whether you're a new investor, trader, or you're trading for a long time or investing for a long time, it's for both traders and investors. Whether you're basic, don't know what the stock market is, or you've been in the market for a long time, this course is for you. And not only offers education, how to trade and invest, but also my secrets that I'm giving out to you. These will be how to create income every week through strategies that I've used and that have worked for me, and also some tips and tricks in the stock market game, and access to the VIP chat room. You also get lifetime access, and you also get private YouTube streams that I will have only for course members and the VIP members, and where we can review markets, analyze trades, and grow as a team. So take out the guessing work, grab the course, get educated, and learn how to trade stocks like this, and learn how to set up the script. It's very simple right here. So I'll show you how to set the VWAP, I'll show you how to set up these indicators, support resistance levels, Fibonacci. We'll also go over how to set up these buy and sell arrows. We have the RSI MACD down here, how to set alerts, and how to use the Thinkorswim platform and other ones as well to take advantage of the stock market so you can trade, invest every single day, whether you're a trader, day trading, swing trading, investing, whichever it is. I'll be covering it all in the stock market, the course that I have. So the course will be coming out this coming week before Christmas, so stay tuned. But please join the waitlist if you are interested in the course. It will give you lifetime access to the course, lifetime VIP access to the chat room itself, to the exclusive alerts for only course members, and also some bonus content that I'll be putting out in there. The course will be constantly updated with my latest tips and tricks and my secrets and things that I use in the stock market every single day. And if you are interested, make sure to join that waitlist. It's completely free to join the waitlist, and just click on the join waitlist button. All you have to put is your email and your name, first and last name if you'd like, and click on the subscribe. So if you are interested in the course, make sure to join the waitlist. And I'm really excited to release this course soon. I'm also seeing people in the chat room that are excited for it to be released. So it's coming out soon, just about a couple of days before Christmas. So stay tuned. Make sure to join that waitlist. So that's pinnacletrading.us. Hit that course tab, or on the main page you can hit that join now for free if you scroll down. And make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date when the course releases. I'll be doing an initial sale release once it's released, so make sure to grab that sale, as it will be a limited time offer going until the end of the year. So make sure to join the waitlist, hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on when the course releases. And also make sure to join the chat room. It's a free chat room for everyone to join, and you can also join the waitlist by clicking on this tab or this link over here in the course tab. So again, I'm really excited to release this, coming out very soon. Hope you all have a great weekend, and I'll see you again in my next video when my course releases. Take care.